Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show around this stylish Volvo V40 in the R-Design specification. So this car comes with 17-inch alloy wheels, there's reverse parking sensors, half leather interior with heated front seats. On top of this you get sat-nav, DAB digital radio, Bluetooth, air conditioning. The car is also free to tax. So let's have a look around. This car has two previous owners, full Volvo service history. It's got the 2-litre diesel engine that gives you 120 horsepower, has a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's done less than 17,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.